Happy heart, little readers. Magical story time for kids.
Poppy plants a seed. Poppy has a very special plan today. She holds her colorful seed packets tight. The sun is waking up the garden. She finds a sunny spot near the fence. Everything is ready for something new. Growing takes the time it needs. It is time to dig a home. Poppy uses her small silver shovel. She makes a cozy hole in the dirt. The striped seed goes inside to sleep. She pats the soft earth over it. Growing takes the time it needs. Every little seed needs a drink. Poppy brings her green watering can. Cool water sprinkles down like rain. The soil turns dark and very wet. She hopes for a sprout quite soon. Growing takes the time it needs. The next morning, the sun is high. Poppy runs out to see her flower. She looks at the quiet brown patch, but nothing is reaching for the sky. The garden is still and very empty. Growing takes the time it needs. A small friend comes to visit. Dottie the ladybug walks on a leaf. They both look at the silent ground. Poppy wonders why it is taking so long. She asks her friend to help watch. Growing takes the time it needs. The sun goes down and comes up. Poppy feels a little bit sad today. She thought the flower would be tall. Her garden feels like it is sleeping. The ground is still just plain brown. Growing takes the time it needs. Barnaby sits down on the grass. He tells Poppy about the secret work. Plants do a lot before we see. They are busy building things below. He asks Poppy to trust the earth. Growing takes the time it needs. Deep in the dark, things are busy. The little seed is waking up now. Tiny white roots reach for the water. They hold on tight to the cool soil. The seed is getting strong and ready. Growing takes the time it needs. Poppy visits her garden every day. She pours the water and waits. She hums a soft song to the dirt. She is not in a hurry anymore. The garden is a very peaceful place. Growing takes the time it needs. One warm day, Poppy sees a miracle. A tiny green curl peeks out. Dottie the ladybug lands on the stem. It is the smallest, bravest little sprout. Poppy claps her hands with a smile. Growing takes the time it needs. The sprout turns into a sturdy stem. It grows taller than Poppy's green boots. Leaves stretch out like wide, green hands. The plant wants to touch the clouds. It gets bigger with every warm sunset. Growing takes the time it needs. A giant golden flower opens wide. It is the tallest sunflower in the world. Poppy and Barnaby look up in wonder. She is so proud of her beautiful friend. The garden is full of golden light. Growing takes the time it needs. The wait was worth the beautiful prize. Poppy stands tall next to her flower. Dottie rests on a bright yellow petal. Patience is a very wonderful thing. The garden is a happy place to be. Growing takes the time it needs.
Thanks for reading with us. Subscribe for more magical stories, and like and come back anytime for more Storytime adventures.